Hello my friends, hello everybody, welcome on my channel, I hope you're well. Another picture I will show you how I made it, this picture. And you were many to ask how I made this picture, so I will show you. In fact, I have to reshoot it because it's a picture I took a long time ago. You think it's a difficult picture to take, but in fact it isn't. It's quite simple, and I will show you all the process, and I hope you will learn something from this. It's the principle, okay? So I will shoot with my Canon 5D Mark III. The lens, as always, it's my Sigma macro lens, 105mm 2.8. For the lights, I have the X Pro from Godox, and I'm shooting tethered via Capture One, so I can see much more bigger what I'm shooting, and I can show you what I'm shooting. The settings for today: ISO 100, a shutter of 200. This is just to cut out all the ambient light, and f18, so we have a big depth of field. We're gonna shoot this nice bottle of perfume, okay, as you can see. It's called J'adore from Dior, and we have to suspend it, and for this I will use this acrylic rod. Okay, you can see it, okay, and I will glue it like so, okay, something like this. I hope it will stay. For this I will use my super glue. You can find this glue on my Amazon page, where I have most of the product I use in this video. It's this glue, okay, and it works with an activator. This is it. This allows the glue just to glue faster, in fact, okay? So we will glue this bottle and this acrylic rod. For this I just take this clamp. This is just to hold my bottle in place, so it's a little easier, I hope so, to glue it. Something like this. I take my glue, okay, and I put some glue on the bottle like this. I take my rod, this side, I put some activator, I put my rod, and I wait. Okay, just waiting, and I think we're good. I hope so, in fact. So this way we can put it in the water, okay? I will clean it a little, and the setup, I show you the setup. Here it is. I have my fish tank here. As you can see, I already put some water, okay. I have for the lights 3 lights, one on each side and one behind this piece of diffusion material. This is the Lee filter, it's the 216 from Lee, and I put also a piece of diffusion on this side of the fish tank and on this side. The lights are in a reflector with a honeycomb grid of 10 degrees, and behind I have my Godox 1200. I can show you. Here it is. This will be for the background, and I put an orangish gel in front of just to match the color of the bottle. I will put this in place. My friends, you can do this shot with only speed lights. This is possible. No problem at all. I use my studio lights, but you can do this with speed lights. It will work. As you can see, my camera is quite low, so I have an angle like this, and this way I can see the surface of the water. I will put the live view so you have a better understanding of the thing. Here it is. Okay, you can see the surface of the water here. I will put my finger in it so you can see. Okay, boom. Okay, and we will put our bottle in place. I will just clean it rapidly, just a little. It has no big importance because it will stay in water, of course. So, and I will put it on, I have a C-stand here with a rod, and I will put my my acrylic rod like this. Okay, something like this, and I will put this in the water the best I can. Okay, something like this seems not bad. Okay, I will lower it a little. Do we see? I will just raise it a little so it goes a little out of the water like this, and I will put it like this. Okay, so light, boom. But as you can imagine, we have to flip the picture and put this upside down to have the effect we want. So you just put your capture one in position upside down. Okay, like this, upside down, and boom, we have our shot. So, not bad at all. Not bad at all, my friends. Okay? Boom, boom, boom. Well, I will first of all take a shot without the flash. I will switch this off just to see if we have a black frame just with the ambient light, if we have any contamination or not. I take a shot, and what have we? a black frame. This is wonderful. Here is my black frame. So I put the lights on and I will take a first shot. Okay, I will take my remote control and I take a shot. Boom. Result. Okay. Is this not nice? Is this not nice, my friends? Are we sharp? I already made the focus, of course. And are we straight, by the way? I will... Yes, we are. Wonderful. So, and now it's just a question of droplets and waves and so on. I will take this syringe, take water, and I will put some here, like this. What have we? Oh, very nice. You see, you can make some beautiful, beautiful shots. Okay? But I will put also some water here. And you search, you put water here, you put water here, and you build your picture. You understand the principle. You can put more water, like this. It works also, like this. And wonderful. Okay, and so on, my friends, and so on. It's just some fun. And you have your shot. I told you at the beginning, not complicated at all when you know how to do it. So, et voilà, this is it. I hope this was helpful, my friends. Maybe you learned something. I hope so. I see you soon in another one. Maybe you're new on this channel and you like what you see. You can subscribe. Don't forget to click the little bell also, so you know when I'm posting something new. You can check my Instagram account. I have lots of photos. I have an affiliate link with Amazon also, where you can buy some material, some props I use in the studio. And voilà. As we say in French, je vous dis à très bientôt mes amis, portez-vous bien, ce fut un plaisir. I see you soon, my friends. Be safe, be happy. It was a pleasure. Bye bye.